Okay, hello there. Today I'm gonna show you some copy paste and multiple copy in the AutoCAD. So let's draw some simple stuff. I don't know, let's draw this one. And we want to copy it. Just hit CO copy, drag it from anywhere you want, put some distance that you want, and here it goes. But let's do in multiple copies. Do the same operation, start moving, then press AR, and now press the quantity that you want, like let's make it 15, and let's put a distance somewhere around like this. And here we have it, all the multiple copies in the AutoCAD. Here you go.